Hello everyone and welcome to Krista So Crafty. I'm very excited because I ordered myself a crafting advent calendar, 24 days of advent calendar joy. And I didn't think it was going to be here for December 1st, but guess what arrived today when I was at work. So I'm pretty excited about this. I've seen them all over the place, but I've ordered this one from Facebook. I seen it on there, so I haven't opened it or anything. I took the plastic off, but other than that, I've done nothing. So open it up. Oh, okay. So this is the skyline. It's foam, and oh, okay, I see. So there's all these little block thingies. So we're gonna take them out. And I believe that's where little pieces are gonna pop into. So let's pop these out real quick. So I was excited about this because it is a crafting advent calendar. There's lots of different kinds of advent calendars for sure. Like there's chocolate ones, which are the original ones. But there's food ones and cheese ones and wine and beer and different beverages and candies and toys and coloring book ones and so many different ones nowadays. Okay, but this one excited me because, whoops, it's crafting stuff. And well, hence the name, Krista So Crafty. I was pretty excited about that. So let's kind of making a mess, but that's all right. Get that in the garbage. So I'm just going to keep all of these little foam pieces. I'm going to put them back in the top of this box. And then we will open up the next part, because down on the bottom here, under this little part here, there's a little pull. Oh, look, that you open and look at all the beautiful little boxes. So each box is numbered. Number 2, 7, 21. So this is going to be fun. So every day I will open one of these boxes up with you until the 24th. I believe it's just, 24 days. So Christmas morning we get to take a break and just do whatever we want. But we need to put this together. I don't know how to put it together. I'm just going to start. I'm not going to open any of the boxes. I'm going to assume that this one goes here because it's a big hole for the big box. And then maybe here. So this is kind of like a puzzle as it is now. I want to make sure that I can see the numbers. So this one will go here. So what's it's doing is it's making a little city, or a, is this going here? I think so. Making like a little city. So that's kind of cool. Oh, that one goes in there. And then this one, no. Must go in there. Or unless I got one in the wrong spot. We'll wait on this one. So there's the little guys. There we go. That looks like a tower. And here's a square one that goes over here. Ooh, guess what? Number 1. That's the one we're going to open, but not yet. Let's put these all in here first. Now I'm just randomly putting them into spots here, and hopefully we're good and that I'm not doing it wrong. And I think this one, no, oh, this one goes here. No, it doesn't. Oh, there we go. And this one can go there. I don't know. Think we're gonna have enough holes? That's interesting. Because of course there's no instructions with it. So we're just winging a prayer here. Huh. I have to turn it so I can see. Let me put this up here. Well, that little one can go in there. That one doesn't go there. So I bet you this one goes in there. Okay, I gotta stand up and do this so I can see what I'm doing. Where there's a will, there's a way. I'm just trying to make sure I don't put them upside down. Sorry, you can't see me, but I just... That one goes in there, and that one can go there, and then this one must go in there. Ta-da! All right, so here is our city. Now, what I have seen, so I'm just going to put this back in here, is that, so if you go like this, look at that. Isn't that cool? I'm so excited about this. It's going to be so much fun. All right, so now we need to find number 1, which was this one right here. So I'm just going to scoot this over to the side. I don't really know what's in here. I have not Googled anything or looked at anything. All right, let's open this one up and see what is in here. Now again, I'm trying not to wreck the box. Here we go. What is this? What are these? Oh, you know what they are? They're calendar, the little calendar pages. Well, isn't that interesting? So obviously it goes January through. Now the interesting thing about it is that they don't have any numbers on them. So this could be a, what's that called? A perpetual calendar, where, oops, where is that one? It's in backwards, I seen it, there it is. You can use it over and over and over. That's very cool. Let me show you here. So it has across the bottom on each one of these, it has 1 through 7. So the 7 days of the week. And then I guess, I don't know, maybe you would go along and you would color in the squares as you go through each month. You would start, let's say, so this is December 1st, so let's find December, if we were doing it for this year, right? So today is December the 1st, so this goes 1 through 7, so 1 being Monday, Sunday, and then 7 being Saturday. So if today was the 1st, how in the heck would you do that? So today's Monday, so I would put a dot maybe in the first little second square in, so that would show that it was Monday, and that would be the 1st, and then kind of color in each of the dots for each of the days. I don't know, but the pictures on these are pretty cool. I'll bring you in close here so you can see some of the pictures on here. You could absolutely color them. Now it's kind of like a plasticky coating on the top. The back is just the paper, but so I wonder, I just thought of this. I wonder if these are like a puzzle, but it is a calendar. Let's see what they look like when we put them all together. And December, September, October, November. So I wonder if we put them all together, if they make a scene. And guess what? They do. Oops, I bent that one a little bit.
Look at that.
You're like, I can't see it. I can't see it. I'll show you in just 1 second here. October, November, December. 1 second. So here you have it. I'm trying to make it so you don't get the glare. But see, when you lay them all out, it kind of makes like a scene. Like they all just kind of match in with each other. But see what I was saying about the 1 through 7. So you could put it, you know, color them in. I don't know. Maybe there's something in here that will give us more information. But for right now, I really don't know. But that's I'm happy with my December 1st Advent. All right. I am excited that I got this in time to open this all up with you. If it didn't come in, I probably would have kept it until next Christmas. So I'm really glad it came in. And I will see you guys all tomorrow when we open box number 2. And I don't even know which one box number 2 is. Shall we have a peek and see? We won't open it or shake it. Oh boy, which one is it? 3. Oh, what's this one? That's 22, not 2. Oh, it's right there. It's a big box. This is so exciting. I really want to thank you for joining me today for opening the Advent calendar and starting it out for this December. So I thought this would be kind of a fun thing to do. And who knows, maybe once we start opening these and depending on what the items are, maybe we will start doing a craft with each one. That would be fun as well. I want to thank you for joining me today. Happy crafting.